Hey guys, how are you? I'm back with my restoration of the Concorde models. As you can see, the BA Concorde is ready for primer. I've sanded, filled sand, and made the new nose on it. As you can see, the nose came out nice, and the forward underbelly of the aircraft, you see some buildup there, some bondo there, and the reason why, because of the indentation that I mentioned that is on the mold of these models. Like there's a bit of up curve and then it comes out, so I filled that. It's nice and smooth and straight now. And if I turn this around, that you can see the tail cone came out nice too. Tail itself came out nice. So yeah, the model is ready for primer now. I'll show you. Flip this around. So here you can see it's nice and straight, and there's no dip there that was there, and it actually went from here and then used to come right in this area. So it's all filled now. Here, I'll give you a close-up too. You guys can see it's nice and smooth. So she's all ready for paint. Here's a new nose and new tail cone and the vertical fin. You guys can see that. That's the entrance side of the model, and that's all the bodywork that I did. So she's all ready for primer now. And since the weather isn't that great today, it rained, so I'm gonna hold off till tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be clear, and then tomorrow I'll prime this model here. Yeah. And I'll start sanding the Air France model, this guy right here. This guy is next to go, and since I'm still waiting for my paints to come in, I'm gonna sand this guy, and I guess I'll start doing it very soon. So by the time paints gets here, this one will be all sanded down and then resprayed and painted again. But the fuselage on this, the whole fuselage, the tail, all the way from the front to the back will be blue, and there's a bit of blue that's gonna come like that on the bottom here, follow this body line, and I think in the back it does the same thing too and comes back, and there'll be Pepsi written right here underneath the fuselage, and wings gonna have their nice band and says Pepsi on both sides, both wings here. So she's gonna turn out nice. Alright guys, I thought I'll give you guys an update. So here's my update, and I'll make another video when this guy here is all sanded down, or the BA Concorde is primed. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe to them, hit the bell icon to get the notifications, so this way more people can get to see the more updates. And please share my videos with all your friends in modeling groups, or say with your on your Facebook profiles or Instagram or social media. More people see it, more people will have chance to learn how to restore these models, and maybe the same application can be applied for other things when it comes to restoring old models or old items that you cherish, and they look dated or outdated, but when you do a good restoration job, new paint job on them, they will be better than the brand new models. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye.